Hey everybody, we're here in Grandbury, Texas today. This Walmart was so nice to us and they brought out a huge display. Let's just check out some of the brand new units. 22-inch tabletop. So this year the different things on the tabletop are the adventure ready branding, of course, the upgraded knobs as well. There we go. The 22-inch. What else do we have here, folks? We have the 28-inch adventure ready as well. So again, you'll see some differences on the basic 28 this year. Again, the upgraded knobs. Last year we went to the new logo on there, as well as the adventure ready. This year, new to Walmart, the brand new 28-inch Pro Series. Of course, 28-inch, first time ever with the Pro Series cabinets. So a little place to put some stuff down there. Hide your 20-pound propane. The hood on top as well. The 2020 Walmart exclusive 36. Of course, the logo that we started on there last year. The upgraded knobs as well. New for 2020 at Walmart on the basic 36, we have the folding side shelves. So a lot of people like that if you have limited space on your back porch. This might help out. This is the unit that we're using on tour. This also has the magnetic tool holder, as well as 4 tool hanging pegs on each side. And this model even comes with the hardcover. So I think this is $297. Yeah. $297 at Walmart. Again, including the hardcover. So that's just an insane deal if you consider the fact that these hardcovers were $100 for the first 2 years. So $297 for the entire package. Of course, we have the brand new air fryer combo. You've been seeing me use it on the back porch. 36-inch griddle, all the bells and whistles, the hood, and the fryers down below. Walmart exclusive Blackstone air fryer combo. Last year we introduced the range top combo, another Walmart exclusive, and there it is. It was a huge seller for Blackstone last year, and we brought it back this year to Walmart. Here is the 2020 version of the 36-inch Pro Series. This was introduced at Walmart last year. It had the hardcover, but this year, first time ever with an attached hood. And of course, the 17-inch tabletop griddle. Don't forget about the 17-inch with burner and fryer as well. And we even have some new accessories here, of course. The very popular 2-piece spatula kit, the brand new Signature Series hamburger spatula, the extra long Signature Series spatula, new basting covers, the new bottles, new oil and water bottles, a huge seller this year. I've been loving them. The new non-stick cooking spray, a big seller. More griddle kits, more spatula kits. Everybody's loving the brand new extra large bacon press. This thing is huge. I can't even get it out of the box. This thing is solid. Look at that, cast iron. And you can do a ton of bacon with the extra large griddle press. I think Walmart's carrying 67 Blackstone products this year. And of course, the brand new Blackstone Griddle Caddy. So this isn't even the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more available only at Walmart, but I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful brand new products that we have this year at Walmart. So we're here today in Grandbury, going to be in Cleburne tomorrow, in Stephenville on Sunday. That's right. When everyone deserted us, you guys stood by me. Olive oil there, butter. Yeah, some of that rosemary. Butter. Butter.
Where you guys get the animal meat?
Is he out of Oklahoma?
Somewhere in southwestern Oklahoma.
Yeah, I thought so.
Like where? What part of it?
Butter. Hey, I'm not your cardiologist. I'm your friend. Where's my spatula? I need a bad. Here we go. Obviously, if you want to just take that rosemary off, I'm just gonna get that rosemary and the butter, give it a nice flavor before we pull these off.
Thank you, sir.
So until next time, everybody, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the food.